Upgrading vDefend security services platform is an easy process. First, let's have a look to the SSPI upgrade. Log in to SSPI. Go to Package Management and upload your SSPI upgrade bundle. Once the bundle is fully uploaded and processed, go to Upgrade. The upgrade bundle that you have uploaded is now showing as an available SSPI version upgrade. Click on Upgrade to kick off the upgrade process. Wait for the Update Manager to be fully ready. Then run the upgrade pre-checks. Finally, click on Upgrade to start upgrading the SSPI. Please note that SSPI node VMs will also be upgraded, so the user interface might become unavailable, but there is no data loss. SSPI is now running the targeted version. Let's proceed to the second step, which is the SSP upgrade. Go back to the package management. Upload a new SSP package. Once the packet is uploaded and processed, switch to the SSP UI. Go to System Upgrade. Here you see that some upgrade packages are available. Click on Start Upgrade. Select the targeted SSP version and deploy the upgrade coordinator. Once deployed, run the upgrade pre-checks. The scope of the pre-checks and of the upgrade depends on the security services that have been enabled on the platform. Proceed to the platform upgrade. Then to the matrix upgrade and other services such as security intelligence, vDefend network detection and response, and malware prevention. The upgrade coordinator is deleted at the end of the process. The vDefend Security Services platform is now fully upgraded and is running the targeted version.